Assalamualaikum, this is Keisha Abdul Mateen. I'm out here at the Islamic Heritage Museum today. And today we're celebrating Martin Luther King Day of Service. It's a day on, not a day off. We're distributing meals to the community along with hygiene kits, masks, as well as coats. And we've done this type of event all weekend in various cities across the United States. We have New Jersey, New York, Chicago, and North California.
We are here at Dallas Masjid al-Islam, our longtime partner. Today is a day of service honoring the legacy of Dr. King, and we are here distributing hygiene kits, socks, sanitizers, masks, blankets. Hot meals are being served to the community at large over here.
We're here in Chicago, Illinois with Senate. We're kicking off our MLK Day of Relief to assist those in need.
We're here with the Islamic Relief Fund of New Jersey, and we just opened our doors to the community women where we are serving a lunch which was sponsored by them.
All giving on this weekend of service in honor of Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday, a man who's given so much to the United States and mankind. Have a nice day.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed.